Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to another video and welcome to this weekend's vlog. I know I look like a crazy person with my hair looking like this. I know. But it is because I'm gonna loosen all the twists and I'm gonna have myself a nice, beautiful, big afro. Today is Friday. I am playing a set at Danfo tonight. My set at Danfo is for 10 p.m. and I have nothing to do between the hours of like 7 to 10. Who's of El Padrino is hosting like a party bus. I want to personally ask if I can just like not go on the bus with them but drive behind them so that when I need to leave I can just leave and I'm not like committed to staying with them on the bus. I'm hoping I can do that. I'm hoping if not I have nowhere to be until 10 p.m. which is not a good thing. I don't like not having somewhere to pre-game before I have to go somewhere. I am currently uploading this weekend's vlog that's supposed to go up on Sunday. This weekend has the potential to be really busy and epic or just meh. I am supposed to record for a TV show, a web series tomorrow, but I'm not gonna say it until it's confirmed. It's already confirmed like I'm going to be, but I'm waiting for more information. That is what I'm waiting for. Right? 2, on Sunday I am working with an artist. I've been working with him for a couple of months right now. His name is Barely Any Hook. We are supposed to have an event on Sunday, but we're having some issues with the venue when it comes to rain because it's an outdoor venue. There's no covering, there's no shade for the rain, so we're kind of concerned about that and worried about that. They're thinking of moving the event to next week, and I understand why they want to move, but it's so late to move it. I think we should just make the best of what we have. But you know what, that is just I don't know. I literally just finished doing my makeup and taking photos for today's 31 days beauty challenge. This is day 5 makeup. I'm dressed. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing everything I'm wearing is from Everything Denim. I'm wearing their palazzo pants and I'm wearing their wrap top. I think this color really goes well with these pants, especially with the stripe pattern. I'm just waiting for my car to come back. Also packing up my bags. Drinking some Zobo with some, what is inside this? Red Label. What is Red Label? Red Label is a type of alcohol. I'm just not sure what kind. I'm gonna be following them with my car. It's so weird, but like I literally just don't want to stay at home and chill, so I just want to do something, get myself rubbed up before I go for my set. I'll be chilling with them until like about 9:30, 9:40, and then from there I'm gonna go to Danfo. We are at the first location, which is Arts Cafe. Adenika is there. Hi. Good. We're about to enter. We've entered. Oh my god, it's so cute in here.
By the end of the night, I know that.
Because the camera was facing me. I'm recording you as you're recording me. Double record.
I'm sorry. I don't think that's a refresh. I'm sorry.
Alright. It feels like a competition. Jenica, I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed. You said you wanted to square up.
You saw this in the office. You saw this in the office.
Literally in the middle of Art Cafe. We are in the middle of Art Cafe just playing tennis. All of us. At Danfo right now, I thought my set was gonna start by 10 p.m. but it's gonna be another hour I think before we start. So So it's gonna be another hour before I start. So I'm just gonna chill, enjoy music, and until it's time for me to play. It's not right. I'm attracted by the way you move. We've done and all the things you do, and nothing can stop me. I'm disregarding all those because I'm tomorrow. Hey, hello, eh? Big Straw is there, just doing whatever he wants to do. Good morning. I am at Zikoko HQ. I'm gonna be filming for what is the name of the show again? Nigerians Talk. And I'm here with the beautiful and cute Edwin. And I'm here with you. I didn't even get your name. I'm so sorry. Hi Lola.
Hi everybody.
Edwin is forming busy. He wants to leave us here.
Yes, like
Don't leave. We want you to stay. Chill with us. I'll take you somewhere. Where are you going? You're going to Aja. This is my makeup for today. This is day 6, day 5. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is day 6 makeup. I'm tired already. Putting it together was slightly stressful, but I did it. I did it, guys. Wow. He's so fine. Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. It is Sunday. What time is it, Inka? 2 o'clock on the dot, and I am on the way for the Barely Any Hook and Bigfoot in Your Face. Barely big enough. I feel like I just said a bunch of words right now. I'm on the way to the listening party that I helped to plan. The plans didn't go exactly the way I wanted, and it's actually really frustrating me right now. I'm on the way with my brother, the ever great Deola Adebiyi. How you doing, bro?
Hey, what's up? How you guys?
What are you doing cool kid for us?
Because I am cool.
You
I
are?
guess. Yeah.
You think you are?
I know I am. There's a difference.
Okay, if you say so.
Back in the days, the maze, just a lab rat that made it out the maze. Still feel caged, rage. Use the underground railroad like a runaway slave. Broke off the chain, still run away.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Barely Any Hook and Bigfoot in Your Face. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. We're here for the Bigfoot and Barely Any Hook listening party. These 2 young men right here have created a project for us, and we're here to listen to it. Are we all excited? Are we? Come on. Thank you so much for coming out. My name is Deola. Sometimes I'm a blogger, sometimes I create content, but today I am your host, and I'm very, very grateful that you guys came out today. Now, these 2 young men are going to take us on a journey of their musical history. Now, before we listen to the project that they created to us, it will be good to know like how they started in music and how they have come together to create the Barely Big Enough project. Let's dance. I say to oh my God.
This one's called Reject, man. Check it out. I have a bit of a cold, yeah. You guys gonna have to bear with me for this.
So I just got to the Jameson party, the Hats and Tats party, for their new drink, the Black Barrel, I think. It's black like no other, as you can see behind me. I'm on my way to Apples and Oranges. I'm here with my mentee, Chiamaka. She's gonna be helping me film today. We were supposed to have gone like since, like my appointment was for 11:12, but my car started acting up and then the mechanic had to take the car. I had to end up taking an Uber, which I don't mind honestly, but I like being in control and being able to drive and everything. Plus I had like a bunch of other errands I needed to run, but I couldn't run them, so we're just gonna go to Apples and Oranges. I'm going to go get a facial. I've already done today's makeup look, filmed it, edited it, it's uploaded, removed it, washed my whole face, because sometimes I just wear makeup for Instagram, like honest to God. Sometimes I just wear makeup to take pictures and then lie down. I'm on my way to Apples and Oranges to get a facial. I need one because all these days of wearing makeup, my skin has started acting up. My skin is really textured around here and here, and when I'm breaking out, I have a pimple there, and I have one that's disappearing here, and I have some spots coming up here. So let me go get a facial to help make this face look nicer. Like this pimple, she did some work on it and it looks so much better, but I do have some swellings because of the extraction. But we're done now. We're gonna walk to La Taverna. You guys should help me be happy. Help me. You're so pretty. Oh my god, like look at you. So we're going to La Taverna right now. It's literally down the road. So hopefully I'm gonna introduce her to tacos. Have you had tacos before? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm hoping that Uzo is there already. It's what time is it? 10 minutes to 4. It's 10 minutes to 4, so they might be there. They might not. I hope they are. If not, another day.